Hey, it's Matt Kovchinsky, and I'm here in sunny Delaware, and this is your Lindapter Spotlight Road Diaries. Here I'm standing in front of the Lewes Transit Center, where we use some Hollo-Bolts on some of the canopy that you can see behind me. Joseph Barbato Associates designed it. So let's go check out some of the details. So this is one of those projects where there's not, 10,000 Hollo-Bolts, but they have a prefabricated column and a HSS beam, both HSS. And you can see right here, they made the connections with Hollo-Bolts with a kind of a cool detail, like an infill fin plate into the beam that was cut. So you can see the Hollo-Bolts right there installed properly. These ones weren't painted. The ones on the next were painted to match the white structure. So this structure does look really cool at the end of the day, especially at nighttime. It's all lit up. So, just another example of how Hollo-Bolts are used, especially in canopy and HSS structures. Anything HSS, think Hollo-Bolt. Again, it's Matt Kovchinsky. Have a great day.